Hello everyone, here are some beautiful hairstyles that you can make at home. First, take some colorful pins, then make a ponytail. Insert a pin in the back and then rearrange the ponytail on its sides. Then divide it and then braid the hairs as shown. Keep doing it till you reach the end and then tie it with a rubber band. Then do the same with the other side like you did previously. Do it neatly and perfectly till you reach the end and then tie it up. Once you have done completing it, crisscross the braids and pin it above and it's ready. Moving on, in this braid we need some color pins. First, insert it diagonally in the ponytail and then place the pin to the other side, and after doing it, pin the leftover hairs to the side and comb it to give it the perfection. Make sure the hairs are neat from the front and it's ready. Moving on, in this hairstyle, we need a fancy clutch clip so that you can pin it up to the half tie that you made and then tie the leftover hair from below. After doing it, tie it again from the end and then roll the hairs above. Remove the clutch and place it over and it's ready. Moving on, here you need 2 pins. First, take the sides and make a half ponytail and then roll it once. Then, take the side parts of the hair and comb it and tie it neatly. After doing it, roll it once again. Tighten it up and then tie it from below. Make sure to leave the ends in the upward direction so that it is covered by the bun and pin it up from below. Then the 2 pins, place it neatly and it's done. You can also place 2 pins and 2 beads. Here in this hairstyle, you need another pin. First, roll up a ponytail from below. Roll over the ponytail once from inside and tighten it. Then comb it to make it look neat and pull some strands to create that loose effect. Then tie the ponytail from the end, leaving the ends to roll up in the bun and then pin it up with the hair clip. And this perfect looking bun is ready. Moving on, here in this, first make a ponytail, leave it a bit loose, then take out the hairs as shown. After you have done doing it, comb the leftovers and then tie the end, leaving the ends to encircle up in the bun and then tighten it up with the pin. The bun is now ready. Now place the fancy clip and comb the front part to make it look neat. Match the pins with the color you desire and it's perfectly ready. Thank you for watching.